Alright, it's been a while since I've made a video on the Chevelle, or even the Nova for that. But right now it's so cold and I'm broke, so I'm not working on the Nova until I get more parts. So I come in here and assembled the Chevelle the other day, my day off work. And I figure I'll post a video real quick. I finally cleaned out the trunk. So now, it's still dirty, but you can see inside of it at least. I still haven't welded this back panel in. Of course, still in bare metal. I did start sanding the roof. I just got this little bit to sand. And then I could go ahead and epoxy, take this off, sand that. And then I can epoxy the whole car, or the whole body of the car. The front end, I'm not sure what I'm doing with yet. I haven't even done anything with them really. But set you guys down. Motor's just sitting in here. Let me get my light out. I took the AC box off, and I'm probably just going to go ahead and weld a piece of metal, or go and bolt a bracket up and do away with the box and the fan. Go vintage air maybe one day. I don't have any wheel wells for the car, so I did go ahead and take the rest of the rubber out, and I wire wheeled down here. I got some primer on it. Right here is the worst of it, there and there. But that's an easy fix. I already cut that out and fixed it on the other side. Here underneath is solid, so I can just cut this little bit out and weld a new one in. It's not that big of a deal, just time consuming. The interior, I went ahead, set the interior in. All the seats, the back seat, nothing's bolted. Oh, cooperate. Nothing's bolted, but it's sitting in there. The back cushion is in bad shape up top. No carpet in the floor pan area. I still got to cut and patch. There's radiator for the car, shocks. Easy killer. Can't see much, but it's all clean. Factory quarters. The gap. Perfect gap. These are just sitting on there right now. I got the back bumper on. That's tagged at 99. Front bumper's on too, I guess. I talked to a guy who does painting for a living, and he told me this black I can go ahead and leave on it, just sand it and put my epoxy sealer over top of it, because this is not a sealer. So I'm good. I don't have to finish sanding that all down to bare metal like I started to do here and up there. So I could go ahead and fix this where I had a little bit, and then this is ready to shoot. I still want to take and weld that up. Front bumper's on. And there's a 400 turbo transmission. It's been rebuilt, B&M torque converter. I don't believe it's got a shift kit or anything. And then here's the rubber weather stripping, extra visors. This is 10 from 3 different cars. The carpet, one of my floor pan patches I bought for it. All my brake lines, seat belts, miscellaneous bolts. This is an extra door card. Got a brand new one. 2 there. Extra wipers. Piece for the center console. Extra tie rod ends. But that's pretty much it. Figured I'd do an update. It's been a while, and well, I've still not done anything to the car. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe.